What? Of the world, it's not a plan. Yo, now watch what I go on properly, you know. A franchise, the chosen one, the 10-star general. I don't know when I come for represent. Full effecting, man. You know what, go already. When we load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You don't know a loud explosion about ya. Yo, watch me, man. You don't know the people's champion, right? You don't know a Gaza favorite. Oh, you mean? You don't know the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Right about now, you know. My sister, the thing get just messed up right now. Because my sister, yo, some blogger, a beer delusion on them have. And I see some people, it come like where them all say, it's like some infatuation in them own brain. So you hear what? But make sure address things properly. That's what I deal with. Because it look like say, me don't know if the people them now watch and see what I go on. So make sure no, if in case you're not blind. So watch what I go on right about now, you know. Right now, you know, I see the man them left off of the world boss right now. And it's like a popcorn them attack. You know what I mean? For put some light on them artists. Me say man I say well then, yeah. And them artists they are the new takeover and them shit there. And look from when? From 2016, 17, we all look for the takeover where them did promise. And all now, we can't see it. And when me that tell the man them, yo, the man not even tough like popcorn, career-wise. Much less for even try for even put him up against the world boss. And when I say so, it's like some people want to hold up some waste argument and them shit there. The reason why the youth career even look like how it look right now, it's all because of them fans there who put him up and try to put him on the pedestal where the world boss there. And them can't match the intensity and what them do. What the people them do. Them start shading. You see what I deal with? No, run go over popcorn. Yo, him not tough like popcorn internationally and the whole of we know that. You see what I deal with? And if I when I say internationally, we not talk about knowing or who you know. We talk about the work where you put on. Him not have them work there, out there, to stand up and prove that. You see what I deal with? So I don't know how I go put him against popcorn. So I say, well then, if you feel like, well then, challenging popcorn, I go give you the status where him have in a dance hall. And that more I know, you know. If challenging the unruly boss, you know. If that I go give you the status where you need in a dance hall. Right now, I'm showing you something, you know. It look like you're not misbehave, you know. So I'm teaching you something, you know. This dance now stuff, you know, it shouldn't be about vybz kartel or popcorn, you know. A real thing, you know. Welcome to the genre music where the people them claim them are here all over international. Like the Afrobeat, you know what I mean? And the reggaeton. Welcome to that. Dancehall artists now compete with that. Dancehall artists now put up them name on the billboard and make we hear dancehall song and rings out over them song there. Oh, no man not pay that no mind. It's all about vybz kartel and popcorn. Yo, I'm gonna tell you something. All of them Afrobeat artists there and reggaeton artists there know who vybz kartel and popcorn is. You hear that? Because them man they print them name up on the billboard status. Regular. You see what I deal with? Yeah. You can't believe it. 10-star pull out so much money out of the machine. Yeah? And I know YouTube with the pen pan. Yeah? Take me easy. How much time I tell you now?